Hey, hi friends, Sam here. In one of my career consultancy call, I got a question from the tester. So somebody who spent like 4 or 5 years in testing and said that I'm not getting good set of opportunities in testing and I want to come into the main flow of development job. So definitely this is possible. So all testers, if you are a tester and you can resonate with this question, you know, that you want to come in the main flow of developers, you can see that developers, architects, these people are earning a lot of money, you know, and testers comparatively getting less package. So you can very well break this and come to the flow, you know. So first thing what you have to do is that get into the product-based career. So I always advocate product-based career like MuleSoft or Salesforce or Tibco. These are the products, and over programming-based career like Java, Python, and Android programming and all that, you know, because programming languages always require after every 6 months you have to learn something new. But if you talk about product, let's say I learned Tibco almost 20 years back, but still I'm earning money from that. I learned MuleSoft, let's say 10 years back, still I'm earning money from that. Salesforce, let's say 15 years back, still I'm earning money from that. It gives you long lasting career. So get into the product based career. So from testing, maybe, so this person specifically went for Salesforce developer role. Okay, so of course he can choose depending on his background, his liking and his aspiration and the opportunities available in his company. I suggested Salesforce developer, but you can very well target MuleSoft developer, Tibco developer, BW6 developer, Tibco BW6 developer, any kind of product developer role. Here you don't require much coding. Okay, so don't afraid of coding, you know. Many a time testers and support people and admin people, they just got into this fear of programming. So nowadays in the product based career, you do not require that much programming. It's a drag and drop product, some configurations you have to do, and you highly get paid as compared to your testing profile. So all testers, if you are not getting good opportunities in testing, come to the development. I will show you the way. So if you need my help in creating a roadmap for you, then here my team's WhatsApp number is there. Go ahead and ping, and my team and myself, we are always around to help you, right? Another thing is that if you need such kind of powerpack videos every week, once in a week rather, then be part of my video series. So I run powerpack video series, and where you get the power pack one video every single week, once in a week. I don't bombard you, I don't spam. Basically it's a valuable video series, you know, that's what. So somewhere video series link might be there on the video. Check the description, you can have a direct link and go there and fill the form and you will be part of that. Or maybe some pop-up will appear on this video where you have to fill the form, and go ahead and do that, you know. Any way is fine, whatever way comfortable for you, right? And stay tuned for such power pack videos. In case if you feel this video proved valuable for you, share it with somebody who is in such kind of career problem, who got stuck up in the testing career, you know. That person will thank you later, thank you in the life. So always be nice towards people. Thank you and bye bye. Stay tuned for the next video.